Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahar Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration case previous year questions. Okay, now explain question number 1 from 2019. Integral x cube sin 3x dx. Okay, where x cube is algebra function, sin 3x is trigonometry function. Okay, what is f of x? Follow the order. Isolate. In this first is algebra function is, let us take f of x. Okay, next function is trigonometry function sin 3x, let us take g of x. So what is the formula? So according to integral by parts, a little bit tough this problem. So now explain different method. First write x cube and sin 3x. So on left side we should write x cube differentiations. So differentiations of x cube right on left side. So integration of sin 3x, integration of g of x right on right side. Okay, so differentiation of x cube 3x square, differentiation of 3x is 6x, differentiation of 6x is 6, differentiation of 6 is 0. Okay, on right side there are integration of sin 3x, this will be minus cos 3x by 3. Okay, next integration of minus cos 3, minus 1 by 3 constant, integration of cos 3x, write sin 3x by 3. Again this is minus 1 by 9, integration of sin 3x, write minus cos 3x by 3. Okay, and so on. We multiply as arrow indicate, like. Okay, so 6 into, okay, right, minus into minus plus 1 by 27 into integral cos 3x. Integral cos 3x is sin 3x by 3. Okay, next 0 into anything is 0. No need to write remaining. No need to remaining terms. No need to find remaining. Okay, sign changes alternatively, plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, this is 0. No, 0 into anything is 0. So x cube into this value. So what is the final answer? Integral x cube sin 3x dx is equal to, so x cube into, so plus x cube into this value, so plus x cube into minus cos 3x by 3. Next sign is minus. Okay, 3x square into this negative term, so 3x square into minus 1 by 9 sin 3x, plus 6x into this value, minus into minus plus 6x into 1 by 27 cos 3x. Okay, next minus 6 times of this value, 6 times of 1 by 54 into sin 3x. So this is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. The area of the region bounded by y-axis, y is equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x, where x lies between 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Let us draw x and y axis. Y is equal to cos x. This is passing through the 1. Y is equal to sin x. This is passing through the origin. Okay, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this minus pi by 2. So in 0 to pi by 2 intervals, so between 0 to pi by 2 intervals, we have to find the area of the region bounded by y-axis. This is y-axis, y is equal to cos x, this is cos x, This is sin x. Okay, this part is required area. So required area is equal to, so this is the point of intersection of x and y axis. First we have to find this point. Cos x is equal to sin x. Therefore tan x is equal to 1. X is equal to pi by 4. This point is pi by 4 and 1 by root 2. If x value pi by 4, y value cos 45 value 1 by root 2. Okay. Sin 45 also same. So this is required area is equal integral. So let us take x limits. This is pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4. So above curve, the difference between given two curves. Okay, this means above curve minus below curve. What is above curve? Cos x minus sin x. So above curve is cos x, below curve is sin x. Okay. So what is required? The area of the region bounded by y-axis, cos x and sin x. So now cos x integration is sin x. Limits write pi by 4 to 0. So sin x integration is cos x minus cos x. Limits pi by 4 to 0. First write sin pi by 4 minus sin 0. Minus into minus plus. Cos 45. First write upper limit minus lower limit. Cos sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. 1 by root 2. This is also 1 by root 2. Cos 0 value 1, sin 0 0. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 by root 2. This is nothing but root 2 minus 1 square units. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So this is also 2019 question. IF integral factor of x 2x plus 3y square dy is equal to y dx. Okay. From this equation 2x plus 3y square value is y dx by dy. Okay, divide dy on both sides. Okay, plus 2x term bring the right side. 3y square is equal to y dx by dy minus 2x. Okay, so dx by dy coefficient is y. Divide y on both sides. This value will be 3y square by y is equal to y dx by dy by y minus 2x by y. In this one y get cancelled as well as on right left side also. So dx by dy minus 2 by y into x is equal to 3y. Okay, let us take equation 1. Our target is integral factor. On comparing the equation 1 with dx by dy plus px is equal to q. P into x is equal to q, where p value minus 2 by y. Therefore p is equal to minus 2 by y. So integral factor, we have formula integral p dy. Okay, where p value write minus 2 by y dy. In this e to the power minus 2 constant, 1 by y integration is log y. E to the power minus 2 log y is nothing but log y to the power minus 2. Okay, according to this formula, m log n is equal to log of n to the power m. Okay, we have one formula, a to the power log m base a is equal to m. Okay, this value will be y power minus 2. E to the power log y to the power minus 2 base e. This is nothing but y to the power minus 2. This is 1 by y square. What is the integral factor? 1 by y square. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. The equation of curve passing through the point 1 1 such that the slope of the tangent dy by dx is equal to product of its coordinates is equal to xy. What is given? Dy by dx is equal to xy given. Okay, by using variable separable method. Okay, dy by y is equal to x dx. Okay, now applying integration on both sides. Integral dy by y is equal to integral x dx. So this will be integral dy by y is nothing but log y. Integral x dx value x square by 2 plus c. Okay, this curve passing through the point 1 1 passes through 1 1. On xy plane 1 1 substitute, this value will be log 1 is equal to 1 square by 2 plus 3. Log 1 0. Therefore, C is equal to minus 1 by 2. C value minus 1 by 2 substitute in this equation. Okay, from equation 1. So log y is equal to x square by 2 plus c. So log y is equal to x square by 2. C place in right minus 1 by 2. C value. Okay, let us do LCM. So 2 is LCM. By cross product, log 2 log y is equal to x square minus 1. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. Integral dx by root x plus x root x. Okay. Integral dx by, in denominator one root x take out common. This is 1 plus x. Let us take root x is equal to t. Now this derivative differentiation of root x 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Therefore dx by root x equal to 2 dt. Okay, root x is equal to t, x is equal to t square. Now dx by root x, this place in, we should write 2 dt, x plus 1, 1 plus, where expression write t square. In this 2 constant, integral dt by 1 plus t square, this formula is tan inverse t. Okay, 2 times of tan inverse of, where t place in, we should write root x. So this is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral minus 3 to plus 3 cot inverse x dx. So this is from 2019 question. We have one property, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of lower limit plus upper limit minus x. A plus b minus x. Okay. We should apply that property. I is equal to integral minus 3 to plus 3 cot inverse of. So what is the lower limit? Minus 3, upper limit plus 3. Lower limit plus upper limit minus x. Okay. On x place in right, lower limit plus upper limit minus x. Okay. 3 get cancelled. We have cot inverse of minus x. 180 minus cot inverse x. What is the formula? Pi minus cot inverse x. So integral minus 3 to plus 3. Pi minus right cot inverse x dx. Okay. In this pi constant, integral minus 3 to plus 3 1 dx minus 3 to plus 3 cot inverse x dx. What is this? Is equal to I. So minus 3 to plus 3 cot inverse x dx. This is a statement. Okay. This place in right I. I is equal to pi into integral 1 dx value x. Right. Limits 3 to minus 3. This is I. This I minus bring the, this minus I bring the left side. 2i is equal, so pi into, first write on expression upper limit, formula minus 3. So 3 minus of minus 3. So 2i is equal, this is 6 pi. I is equal to 100, 2, 3 they cancel. So I is equal to 3 pi, correct answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. The order of the differential equation, y is equal c1 e to the power c2 plus x plus c3 into e to the power c4 plus x. Okay. So y is equal to c1 constant e to the power c2 into right e to the power x plus c3 into e to the power c4 into right e to the power x. Okay. In this one e to the power x take out common, c1 e to the power c2 plus c3 e to the power c4. So e to the power x into, so let us take one constant value. Let us take a is equal to c1 e to the power c2 plus c3 e to the power c4. Okay. So ax, a into e to the power x. So y is equal to a into e to the power x. So how many arbitrary constants are there? One arbitrary constant is there. So order is equal to 1. This is the direct method. So according to process now explain. So now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. A constant, differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. A into e to the power x, this place in right y. So dy by dx is equal to y. This is the differential equation. In this differential equation, order equal to, what is the order? Highest derivative. In this highest derivative is 1. So order is equal to 1. So degree is also 1. So degree is also 1. This is the first order, first degree differential equation. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. Integral 0 to 1 root under 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. Okay. Integral 0 to 1 root under 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So let us do denominator rationalization. Root 1 plus x divide and multiply. Integral 0 to 1. So root 1 plus x into root 1 plus x, we get 1 plus x. Okay, root 1 plus x whole square is nothing but 1 plus x. In denominator, root 1 minus x into 1 plus x. So by using a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Okay, integral 0 to 1, 1 by root 1 minus x square dx plus integral 0 to 1 by x dx by root under 1 minus x square. This formula, we have sin inverse x, limits 1 to 0. So this formula, we have one formula, integral f dash x dx by root f of x. So this will be 2 into root f of x plus c. So 2 root f of x plus c. Okay. So let us take 1 minus x square is f of x. So differentiation of 1, 0, differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x. But in numerator only x is there. So 1 divide and multiplied by minus 2. Minus 2x dx by root 1 minus x square. So limits 0 to 1. Okay. Divide multiplied by minus 2. So this will be first write on expression upper limit. So sin inverse 1 minus sin inverse 0. Okay, plus minus 1 by 2 times of. This is in the form of f dash x dx by root f of x. F dash x dx by root f of x. What is the formula? 2 root f of x. 2 into root f of x, where f of x place in right 1 minus x square. Limits are 1 to 0. Okay. This is sin inverse 1 value pi by 2. Sin inverse 0, 0 minus this 2 to get cancelled. Put expression 1. This is 1 minus 1, 0. Formula minus 1 minus 0. So pi by 2 minus of minus plus 1. So pi by 2 plus 1 correct answer. Okay. So let us go to the next problem. Integral 0 to 2 integral part of x square dx. Okay, this can be written as integral 0 to 1 integral part of x square plus 1 to root 2 integral part of x square plus root 2 to root 3 integral part of x square plus integral root 3 to root 4 integral part of x square. Okay, so root 4 is nothing but 2. We have this property, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to c1 f of x dx plus c1 to c2 f of x dx and so on. Okay, last cn minus 1 to b f of x dx by using this property. So one integration can be expressed as sum of 2 or more integrals. So 1 to 0 to 1, 1 to root 2, root 2 to root 3, root 3 to root 4. Root 4 is nothing but upper limit 4. What is the upper limit is in this integration 2. So in between 0 to 1 integral part of x square value is 0. In between 1 to root 2 integral part of x square value. Okay, right, 1.2. 1.2 this value, 1.2 whole square. Integral part of value, this is 1. 1 to root 2, 1 dx. So root 2 to root 3. In between root 2 to root 3 integral part of x square value 2. Okay, 2 dx. root 3 to root 4. Root 4 is nothing but 2. Integral part of x square value in between in this interval 3. Okay, 1 dx value x, limits root 2 to 1. In this 2 constant, 1 dx value x, root 3 to root 2. So 3 constant, 1 dx value x, 2 to root 3. First write upper limit on expression root 2 minus 1. This is 2 times of, right, first upper limit minus lower limit. 3 times of 2 minus root 3. Okay, this will be root 2 minus 1, 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2. This is 6 minus 3 root 3. Okay, this value will be 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, next 2 root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus root 2 minus root 2. This is the answer. Okay, let me repeat. In between 1 to root 2, integral part of x square value 1. Okay, let us take x value 1.2, 1.2 whole square. Okay, integral part of 1.2 whole square value 1. In between root 2 to root 3, let us take any number. Root 2 value 1.414. Okay, let us take 1.5. This is root 3 value 1.732. So 1.5 whole square. Integral part of 1.5 whole square is 2. So 1.5 whole square. This is 2.25. 2.25 integral part of value 2. Okay. So in between root 3 to 2, we should take any number. Integral part of x square value 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. So integral 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. Okay. We have to find a, b, c values. So 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. So this is a proper fraction. So write a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 and c by x minus 3. Now taking integration on both sides. Okay, in this a constant, so integral 1 by x minus 1, we have 1 log x minus 1. In this b constant, write log x plus 2. C constant, write log x minus 3. Okay, plus constant k. Our target is a, b, c values. So first our target is a and b, c. Okay. Denominator of a, x minus 1. So let us take x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Okay. Next denominator of b, x plus 2. Okay, if x plus 2 equals 0, x value minus 2. And x value next one is 3. Okay. First our target is a. Substitute x is equal to 1 in rest of factors on left side value. So what is the left side value? 2x minus 1 by, so 2x minus 1 upon, okay, except x minus 1, write remaining x plus 2 into x minus 3. Put expression 1, this value will be 2 into 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 3. This is 1 by 3 minus 2 is minus 6. A value minus 1 by 6, correct answer. Next b value. Okay, substitute x is equal to minus 2 in rest of factors of left side. So 2x minus 1, same. 2x minus 1 by x plus 2 into x, 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 into except x plus 2, right, x minus 3. Okay. X is equal to minus 2, substitute in this one. 2 into minus 2 minus 1 by, this is minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. This value will be, okay, minus 5 by minus 3 into minus 5 minus 1 by 3, correct answer. Next our target is c value. So let us take x is equal to 3. Okay. C is equal to, in C. So substitute x is equal to 3 in rest of factors of on left side value. So 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Okay. Put x plus in 3, this value 2 into 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 2, 3 plus 2 5. Okay, 6 minus 5 get cancelled 1 by 2. So ABC values are minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.